Rational function, communication and thinking problem. Question 2. Find the constants a and b that guarantee that the graph of this function defined by h of x equals to ax square plus 7 divided by 9 minus bx square will have a vertical asymptote at x equals to plus minus 3 over 5 and a horizontal asymptote at y equals to minus 2. Okay, so let's work it out. For vertical asymptote, what is important? It is important that the denominator should be 0, 1, and second, we should not have common factor in numerator and denominator, correct? And for horizontal asymptote, we can see this equation, degree of numerator and denominator is same, right? That means the horizontal asymptote exists at which point? If x approaches very large value, then 7 and 9 are small numbers to be considered, right? So we are left with ax square over bx square, which leads to a over minus b. Is that okay? So the horizontal asymptote will be at y equals to minus a over b, right? So that's the equation of horizontal asymptote. The question says that we want horizontal asymptote at y equals to minus 2. So we can plug in minus 2 here, and then we get an equation, minus 2 equals to minus a over b, correct? So that is the relation between a and b. So we can say a is twice b. So we say 2b equals to a. So this is one condition which we got from the condition that horizontal asymptote should be at y equals to minus 2. Now, about the vertical asymptote, denominator should be 0, right? That means we'll equate 9 minus bx square equals to 0, and then we get 9 equals to, let me write here, bx square, right? So x will be equals to square root of 9 over b, which should be plus and minus, correct? Which is x is equal to 9 square root is 3, so I can write 3 over square root b plus and minus, right? But the value they want is plus and minus 3 over 5, right? Since we are given plus and minus 3 over 5, 3 is same, so compare it with the value which you need, which is plus and minus 3 over 5. Is it okay? So from here we can say that square root of b is equal to, if we compare these two values, we say square root of b is equals to 5, and therefore b is equals to 5 square, which is 25, correct? Now if you know b is 25, you can plug it in here, right? Let me use a different thing. So I substitute this value here, correct? And say 2 times 25 is what a is. So a is 50 for you. Is that okay? So we get our answer, and the answer is that a equals to 50, and so the solution is a equals to 50 and b equals to 25 for this condition, right? So this was for vertical asymptote. So that's how we are going to solve this kind of a problem, right? It is important to communicate that the vertical asymptote will exist at x equals to plus minus 5 if the denominator is 0 at that point, correct? And that's why we figured it out and compared it with 3 over 5, correct? And horizontal asymptote is ratio of leading coefficients, correct? If the degree of numerator and denominator is same, and that's how we got minus a over b, ratio of leading coefficients, right? And that's how it is to be done. Thank you.